relief on a quiet day. Cinematic lines in the golden haze, finding all the gaps in the woodland maze. It's me, Suffolk explorer, taking it slow, letting every branch whisper where to go. 'Cause it's only FPV